Hey guys, and welcome back to RoboCAD. In this HMI tutorial, I will explain you how to apply the appearance and the transition effect. And as you can see, when I release this momentary button, it is in the red color, and when I select it, it turns into a green one and a green ellipse appears as well. So let's begin. I have created this momentary button in my previous video. For that, I will provide the link in description. So I'm gonna click on the exit button from here, right guys? And then what I'm gonna do, I will expand this tab from here, the design tree, right? And then I will select this momentary button and I will go into the animations, this tab right here. And then what you need to do is you have to select this display button, this display option, right? And after that you will see these options. Let me expand it for you. You have to select this appearance from here, or you will see this yellow color button. When you click here, you will see this tab, right? The appearance tab. Okay, and then you have to select a tag. So when you select this button from here, you will see the tags. You have to select this bit_1, and I have created these tags in my previous video. If you want to watch how to create the tags, you can see the link in description, right? And then you have to select the range from here. It is selected, and in range I will be creating here two options, 0 and 1, because we have two states, right guys? 0 and 1, 0 for off and 1 for on. So I will apply the color 0 for off, and it should be red, and for on state I'm applying a green color, right guys? So for 0 it's going to be red one, and for 1 it's going to be green. Okay, so I have applied appearance, and now I'm going to drag this ellipse and place it here in order to apply the transition, right guys? So I will place it here. Okay, so after that I'm going to select this one and go into the animations, and this time I will be selecting this visibility, and as soon as I click on this yellow colored button, this window will get appear. So from here I will be selecting the same bit_1 tag, right? And in range I will be selecting the state from 1 to 1, because I want to apply this on state 1 only, the green one, right guys? So when it's gonna turn on one state, it will only get appear. So I will be changing the color to green, because it will be applied to green color, or you can say one state only. And now I'm gonna run the simulation. So click on the start button for the simulation, and now let's see how it's gonna work. So when I don't click on the momentary button, it is in the red state, and when I select it, it turns into green, and the green ellipse also appears. So that's how it works for the appearance and for the visibility, right guys? So that's all for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.